Hey guys, hope you're all doing great, and this is Abrar from Option Trend. And in this video we are gonna see about some good swing trade setups in stocks as Nifty is correcting, and we could get some good entries in good rallying stocks. So I have some stocks in my radar to look for a period of month. So let's get into the video. So the first stock in my radar is Adani Enterprises. So if you see the chart of this Adani, you can see that Adani is bit consolidating for nearly 145 days. So we could see a good up move in Adani. But what will be my entry? So as market is correcting, it may come till here and consolidate a bit here and go up, or it can consolidate and go down also. So it's all, market is unpredictable, so we have to go along with the market. So what should we do now? So my entry will be here. It's not that I will just enter in Adani after the price comes here. I will just wait for my confirmation. So my confirmations are like bullish candle structure and some other parameters. I will just explain about the parameters in the separate video. So if you follow me on Instagram, I will just post the real time updates about my position. If I take any position, the link will be given in the description. So my entry will be here when I see a bullish candle over here. So my stop loss will be below this candle or below the candle which has formed a bullish zone. So what if price doesn't come here? Yeah, sometimes market can range over here and go up, right? So at that time my entry will be here. So my entry will be here and my stop loss will be here. My first target will be here. While trading as a swing trading, this is not for intraday or 1 or 2 days. The time period ranges from week to a month. So plan accordingly. And what will be my target? Target will be 17200. This will be my target. This will be my first target. I will close some of my position in this range and I will just trail other remaining positions for the next target if the market moves up. So the next one in my radar is Cipla. Yeah, you can see here the Cipla stock. Yeah. So seeing the pharma sector is bit correcting and consolidating for a period of long period, and it hasn't rallied. Some stocks has rallied, some Sun Pharma, Divis Lab has rallied, but Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Star hasn't rallied. I'm expecting it to rally this period of time. So my entry will be here based on the candle closing and bullish structure engulfing, kind of bullish engulfing a hammer. After seeing that, I will just enter here, and my first target will be, this will be my first target. So I'm expecting the market to go up, Cipla, this stock to go up. So let's see what happens. Always wait for a confirmation, because market can come down and push it up, hit your stop loss and push it up. Maybe I can say this, it will come down. If you take a trade at this range, when the market price comes here, what will happen is it will go down and close above this, then your stop loss will be hit at this range, right? So always wait for confirmation, closing of a candle. So it will be great, and the entry will be precise, and the probability of hitting your stop loss is less. So always, while planning for a swing trade, always wait for some 2 or 3 confirmations, because you're gonna hold it for a week or a month. So after confirmation, the entry will be precise and probability of hitting your stop loss will be low. So next one is Star Pharma, sorry. So Star Pharma, I'm expecting this range to get a support. If you see in the monthly time frame, it is a strong resistance and which has turned into support. So I'm expecting this range to get a good support in Star Pharma. And also I have taken my position. I have one position in Star Pharma. Seeing this hammer candle, kind of hammer, this candle, I just entered in this range and my stop loss was here, but I didn't close my position. Why? Because all the markets are correcting, right? IT and Nifty is falling, so I thought that I knew that star also would fall, but in the larger picture it is bullish. So what is my plan is I will close this below this candle. I will close, yeah, the stop loss is big one, but I'm expecting it to go up. So below this candle close, I will close it, and I will also, if in 1 or 2 days, if the market closes above this support region, I will add some more position and average my price so that I can get a good entry. So this is my view on Star Pharma. The next one is Bajaj Auto, and coming next is Bajaj Auto. If we see Bajaj Auto, the channel is getting widened, right? So if you see the Bajaj Auto, that it is being supported at this level, this level, this and this level. So I'm expecting this level to get support, but this is the level where I will go for a swing trade opportunity, where I will hold for 1 or 2 weeks or more than that. But we also have intraday target, intraday entry here, where you can see the market is being on downside. It has crossed the resistance trend line and it is just consolidating, right? My entry is gonna be here on Monday. Seeing with the opening price and opening 15 minutes candle, I will enter above this and make a target of this. Will be my first target. So this is my view in Bajaj Auto. For swing trade, I have to wait for this level to come up, and for intraday I have this level as a support, so I will enter it and make some money in Monday. So next stock in my radar is Hindustan Unilever. Yeah, so Hindustan Unilever, I am expecting this Hindustan Unilever to break this trend line and come here and take a support, because it might be a fake breakdown. So I am expecting this level to come and act as a support, as the market is, Nifty is still down, and if Monday or Tuesday the market is down, it may come and consolidate over here and come over here and then get up, then boost upside. So I'm expecting this level to come up. Or what if the market is ranged around this area? If it ranged around this area, what I will do is I will wait for some days, 1 or 2 days, and check whether this trend line is breached or not. If it's not breached and some volumes are coming in, I will enter here and keep my stop loss below this trend line and make my target upside. So this is my view on Hindustan Unilever. This is the one I'm looking at. So this is one of the best pattern and good entry for Hindustan Unilever. Our next one is UPL. Yeah, UPL is also in a channel, in downtrending channel. So I'm expecting this level to act as a support, 660 as to act as a support, so that if I get this price, so it will be a good entry, and odds of winning this trade is high, because the channel support and resistance, it turned into support. This is also at this level, so I'm expecting this level to resist. So if it comes here, it will be a good trade for a long term swing trade, not long term, short term like swing trading, like 2 or 3 weeks trade. And the next one in my radar is Eicher Motor. I'm also expecting Eicher Motor to break this trend line and take a support over here. Yeah, so many people will be expecting this trend line to show us a support, but what happens is it will show some breakdown, and as if it is breaking the trend line, and it will take a support here and turn. So many retailers will be caught in this area by thinking that it will act as a support. So be careful in that, as market is trending downwards and not trending, it's correcting a little bit, so it might not respect this trend line, but it might respect this support. So wait for this level to enter, so that the winning probability will be high. The next one is Bpcl. what is happening in Bpcl is, yeah, this support I was expecting when the Bpcl declared some dividend split and something bonuses. I was expecting it opened at 440. I was expecting this 400 level to touch once before going upside. What happened is it didn't come here, so I couldn't take a trade, but I was about to take a trade in this area, but I didn't take. Why I didn't take is, see the kind of candlestick pattern it just showed. It showed some kind of selling pressure on the top, right? There was not as much as huge candle, so I didn't enter in this trade. So it is okay to leave some trades, because it's not like that. We should trade all the breakouts. We should have some parameters attached to our strategy, so that it will be more precise in your entry. So I didn't take it at, yes, it went up, but I'm okay with it. It didn't meet my parameters like in bullish engulfing candle, so I didn't enter in this trade. The volumes also are not supporting, so I didn't enter this trade. And I was saying, okay, if it breaks up, it should retest, right? It retested at this level, and I'm expecting to enter at the break of this level. If it breached this level, I will just enter in Bpcl and keep a stop loss of this. So the target will be, this will be my target. And JSW Steel. So what happened in JSW Steel? It is taking a major support in this area. This area is being a very good support, because it showed a fake. This is a fake breakout. This is a fake breakdown where it went down and came up suddenly. So I'm expecting this level is being bought aggressively by buyers. So I took a trade in Friday. JSW results are also good. Mostly I don't trade on news. When you focus on technicals, you shouldn't see what happening on the news, because the chart itself says what is happening in the news. So I mostly don't see news. Just for an info, JSW has declared a good result. I'm expecting this to go up. So this is my entry, and my stop loss will be around this. Yeah, IDFC First Bank. Banknifty is trending higher, right? So I'm expecting this resistance to be broken. Once this high is broken, I'm expecting the market to go up till here. I'm bullish on IDFC First Bank. The first target will be, this will be my first target. The second target will be this. The first target, I will close my 50% of my positions, and also be careful that it has the potential to come over here and take a support in this range area and go up. So be careful. Place only order when it closes above this range with a good volume and good candlestick pattern. So it will be high probability trade where your odds are in your favor, so it will go up. Also keep a fixed stop loss. Maybe stop loss may be variable, but what is you have to follow is risk management. Risk management is key to success. Never forget it. Risk management is the key to success. So always follow your risk management. Yeah, next one is Federal Bank. If you see Federal Bank, this area is being act as a very good resistance for the day, and it has broken with very good volume, and this will be the short term target. For a very short term, this 110 will be a very good target for a 1 or 2 days target. But what I'm expecting for a swing trade opportunity, you have to wait for some time. Yeah, it has broken the trend line, and it also broken the resistance. But what you have to do is, you have to wait for this candle to come over this level, so that you will get a super good entry with a very minimum stop loss, so that your risk can be managed perfectly, and the target will be this. This will be the target. After hitting this, cut off your 50% of your positions and leave the remaining to upside. So this is about the Federal Bank. So these are the stock list within my radar. Totally 11 stocks. So it is not necessary that all the entries will be on Monday. It could be any of the days. So please add this in your watch list and wait for the key levels. Trading requires a lot of patience. It is only 10%. Only 10% is about trading. balance 90%, 90 to 80% is about waiting for the trade. So if you wait for the trade patiently, ultimately you will get a good result. So please wait for your key levels and to come in. Okay, happy trading. See you soon.